Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and navigating to the exact video or tab you want to silence. Once there, make sure the player is visible. If using a browser, look for the tab speaker icon. You should also glance at your device volume controls so you know whether to mute the app or system. Next, focus on the video player controls at the bottom right. Those are where you'll take the first actionable step to remove sound. Now mute the audio in the player itself. Click the speaker icon in the lower left corner of the video until the volume reads 0. If you prefer a broader fix, right-click the browser tab and choose Mute Site so all videos stay silent. This helps during multiple tabs. You can also press M while the player is focused to toggle mute quickly. Make sure the on-screen speaker shows an X or 0 volume, which confirms successful muting. Finish by playing a short portion of the video to confirm silence. You should hear nothing if muting worked. If you still hear audio, check system volume sliders and the app's volume mixer to ensure nothing is overriding the player. Also disable or close extensions that manage audio and try again. If problems persist, restart your browser or device. That often clears audio routing issues. One key tip: check other tabs and apps for independent sound that may be mistaken for YouTube.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.